for that, Hormuz. Well, let's move to our favorite segment, D Street Chatter. Nimesh gets us an insight in terms of what he's picking up. Nimesh, take it away.
Hi, Nigel. A decent recovery from the intraday lows and the volatility was expected because of the weekly expiry as well. But from a flow perspective, slightly a down day in terms of more selling than buying from larger FIIs. So net it's going to be slightly on the negative side. But again, there are individual names and individual sectors which are outperforming. So today, the big outperformer is the metal pack. You highlighted the Nomura note as well. But in general, I understand there is buying interest back in the metal names in today's market. So that as a sector stands out. The index is up 1%. From a near-term range point of view, I think 25,200 on the downside and 25,500 on the upside seems to be the range for the Nifty. So having said that, there are a lot of individual winners in the broader market which are outperforming. So again, from a flow perspective, a down day, but there is a bit of momentum back in metal names and select PSUs as well.
Okay, what about stocks, Nimesh?
So the first on my list is BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. That's been under pressure today. And in general, I'm getting a sense that there is a bit of supply coming in BSE. I understand a leading long-only fund seems to be an active seller in the last couple of days, and that's been the trend today as well. So that stands out on the sell side. The second name is Axis Bank. Within the private sector bank stocks, Axis has relatively outperformed the private peers in the last 1 month or so. And that's largely because initially there was a bit of buying interest from HNIs. Now it seems some large long-only funds and FIIs are active buyers in Axis Bank of late. So that explains a bit of outperformance there. The third name, a couple of stocks where there is delivery-based selling today, Federal Bank and AB Fashion. Both stands out in terms of selling pressure from larger FIIs. So expect high delivery volumes on both those names today. And the last one is BF Utilities. That stock is up 10%, big volumes as well. And again, while a leading HNI investor has been accumulating in the last many months now, but also for BF Utility, there is a very strong indication of some corporate development coming very soon. So that's the trigger as far as BF Utility is concerned.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Market's not doing too much.